Miraculous gardening. How to grow big, juicy tomatoes. Miracle tip number 1, support your plants. Be sure tomato plants are staked so they don't topple over as they grow taller. Miracle tip number 2, mulch it up. You can put a layer of mulch around your plants to help keep soil moist and reduce weeds. Be sure to leave a clear air circulation space around each plant stem. Miracle tip number 3, don't skimp on the H2O. Tomatoes are thirsty plants. Water thoroughly whenever the top inch of soil is dry. And don't forget, plants need to eat too. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so be sure to serve them regular plant food meals. Miracle tip number 4, get up close and personal. Visit your plants every day and tackle pest and disease problems as soon as you see them. Miracle tip number 5, be picky about picking. Tomatoes are ready to pick when they're firm and richly colored. To pick a ripe tomato, just grasp it gently and twist it off the vine. Miracle tip number 6, skip the chill. It's best to store tomatoes on the counter, not in the fridge. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.